we gotta whisper because there's other people sleeping. I don't know if you can see because it's quite dark, but check out the sunrise in the background. How cool is that?
We're going to be doing something really special today. It means that we have to get up real early and we're not allowed to wear any sun lotion or any body lotion for what we're about to do. Any guesses?
I'm now going to swap to the GoPro 7 so the quality might be slightly less, but I can't wait to be doing this. Let's go. Okay, we've made it to the whale watching destination of Cebu. The only problem is, it's 6:15 now. We left about quarter to 6. That we've got to wait 2 to 3 hours. So we got here way too late, which is crazy.
No, we got up at like 5:15.
Yeah, we got up at 5:15. So top tip already, get here really early. So then the waiting time is going to be like half an hour, or you might get on straight away.
But babe, are you literally recommended, guys? Get up at 4, so
Yeah,
be here at 5.
just get up at 12 and just get here for 1 and just sit here and just wait. But anyway, it's a really good sunrise. We didn't film it because there's still a little bit too much low light for the GoPro.
Yeah.
Anyway, it is, as you would imagine, proper, touristic and packed.
Yeah.
I know a few people are not that a fan of this kind of area because obviously they feed the whale fishes here. So, but we're here anyway and we want to like experience it. So yeah, we're going to see what it's like and hopefully we don't have to wait too long.
So basically how it works, you turn up here, you register, you pay your money, and then you get your receipt. And then the guy, as soon as we get numbers, we don't even have numbers yet, they shout the numbers. And there's literally fleets of people going to this spot, which is almost walkable from here, to swim with the whales. But I know we might come across a little bit negative. I do think it's going to be like a really amazing experience.
It's going to be good.
Let's see if it's worth it, and we'll give our honest opinion about it afterwards.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
But for now, let's kill 3 hours.
Hey.
2 a.m. in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me.
Okay, we think we figured it out. I don't know if you can see in the background, but there's basically a line of boats and it looks like they're making like a semicircle. And you've got half an hour in the water, so you can go snorkeling with them, or you just stay in the boat and you can rent snorkels and fins here. We've got our own happy days. So it's 500 pesos to just sit on the boat and watch. And then if you just want to go snorkeling with them, and it includes snorkel and life jacket, then it costs 1100.
Your name is?
Graham Theodora.
And Graham and Theodora.
Yeah.
Right now. Honey. Asmesh. Yeah.
Blow my mind with a warning. You digging deep within me. I feel obsessed. I can't help myself falling into the widest ocean again. Can't forget. You got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body.
So we've just had our briefing all about the whales. Basically, don't touch them. That was the main point from that. And as you can see behind me, it is ridiculously busy here, which we're not fans of really. But when in Rome, you got to do it. So we're just going to wait for another half an hour, and then we're going to go on the boat, and we're going to take you guys with us.
Got me loose in sleep, I am in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Loose in sleep, I am in too deep.
Hi.
So we've been here 2 nights, we're going to stay 1 more night. Every morning the fishermen come in from this little place where we're staying with Airbnb, and they've caught a load of fish, and today has been actually the biggest catch so far. And they're basically little tunas. I absolutely love tuna, and it's so cool to see because they all come around this time, around 10:30, and they weigh it, see how much they've caught, and then they buy, and then they take some to the market to sell. It's really, really cool. And these are the things when you're traveling which you see, which is just so like cool and natural, and like watching the locals do their thing. Awesome.
I'm awake.
She's fully awake. So obviously we just got back from swimming with the whale sharks. Morning. Babe, tell me, what were your thoughts?
The creatures are amazing. Obviously there's been a love affair, like I said before. They're creatures. I mean, animals, fish.
The beautiful, magical, non-humans.
Yeah, they are magical creatures. And they were so gentle and peaceful. Like, it was amazing to see how close we got. That was crazy. But I do understand why people feel a bit iffy about it, because literally they feed the whales like in a line, and they swim past all the boats. So everyone's like, hey whale. But
I mean, they're not harming the whales.
Totally not harming them.
They're just like eating the food and loving it.
Yeah,
so,
they're just having brekkie.
I don't know. It was pretty packed as well. I'm pretty glad we've done it, to be fair.
I'm glad
I really enjoyed it.
Really enjoyed it.
And the footage came out good, I think. So yeah, let us know what you guys think about it.
Yeah.
Anywho, enough about that. We are now going to go to the local market.
Yeah, because it's Sunday, and I think it's like a special day here. I've got my Sunday best on. Maybe you recognise the shirt, babe?
Yeah, from the other video.
Yep.
Online jewelry.
Oh my god, are you picturing me?
I don't know. Can anyone let me know what these are? Cucumber-ish? I don't know. Can I have some mangoes? Thank you.
What is this?
Oh, what's it called? It's donut.
Donut. Oh, okay. And this is like pancake.
Yeah.
Hey, we got pancakes and donuts.
Oh, yeah, I'll try a pancake. 1 pancake, please. Oh. One, please. I have no idea. I'm just getting it and try. That's the way to do it, don't you think?
Thank you.
Any vegetables?
Yes. What kind? Coconut? With fish. Or if you don't want a fish, just vegetable if you want. Okay?
Nice.
You don't wanna talk, but there's a battle in my heart, and no thoughts keep on running wild. Is it possible you sleep with someone else between your sheets, and is she laying on my side? If you look in those eyes, baby, do they make you lose gravity? Like you would hold on for so long looking at me. Look in those eyes, baby, are you forgetting our history? Or does the voice inside your mind recall that we were kids that didn't know, but we grew to solid gold. In the night, you and I, not long ago, laid in bed without our clothes together, keep.
Babe, was it successful?
Pretty successful, you guys. We've got avocado. So I'm making a little Buddha ball. We've got like a bag of coconut pumpkin that we'll put with it. And then we have fruits and pancake. We don't know what that is still. We need to try that. But pancake and mango for dessert. I mean, how brilliant is this? Just pipping the calamansis. You're quite a domesticated wife right now, babe. Bless you.
So we've recently been talking about what's been our best moments traveling, and like I think the best time we had was when we were in a camper van.
Yeah.
So if you guys think like a camper van series needs to come into this channel, then give us a like, give us a comment, and obviously if you're not subscribed, subscribe.
All the arguments, babe, that would be...
We had the biggest arguments in the camper van. It would
also
be
the
quite,
best times.
Yeah, also the best times, but it would be funny to film that. So we're actually going to work on that and see if we can make something happen really, really soon.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, this is like, so I bought iced tea in a bag that you put in your water.
Oh,
What do you think?
brilliant. Okay, this morning we made our own little breakfast, healthy breakfast, babe. Little bit of bowl.
Yeah, we got avocado and I'm beyond excited about that.
Oh, what about the view?
Amazing.
Hello.
Forever high, low, always been the bad one. Riding just to feel light, screaming, dreaming.
Oh, beautiful. A little bit of a rock. There we go.
Oh, this might make him seasick.
Okay, guys, we're going to make this short and sweet because 2 people on this hammock could break it.
Especially us.
Especially us 2 whales.
Hey.
Get it, shark whales? Hope you enjoyed the video, you enjoyed the whale sharks.
I bet this makes me feel sick. Surely this makes the viewers go sick.
We have a dilemma. We don't know where to go next, but we know where we're going tomorrow, but after that we don't know where we're going to go. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel to find out where we're going to go in the Philippines. So we're going to sign off, and give us a thumbs up, guys, if you like the video, and we will check you out, or you can check us out next time in the video.
Bye.
Bye.